Welcome to Boca Raton. If you're seeing this video, it's maybe because you're looking to purchase a new pre-construction home, and I might just know the right place for you. Currently, I'm hiding myself in this beautiful bedroom of their brand new construction home that has been built in Boca Raton. And I will show this floor plan for you so that you might get a picture of what this builder is able to offer you. Not only modern architecture, but also spacious floor plans and cutting-edge technology. Since 2019, they've been building in Boca Raton, and since they had really great success with the first and their second community, they decided to open the third one because that's how much demand was on the market. So because of that, right now they're building their third community called Lotus Edge. This community finds itself situated just west of Boca Raton, and I'm gonna take you with me so that you can preview from up top the way construction is going and give you some info in regards to where you might be 1 year from now. So join me on this beautiful tour, and if you're in need of a realtor, do not doubt on calling me or texting me at 561-568-9318 because I might just know some of the best perks and tips that you can ask from this builder.
This is a project that's generating a lot of buzz, and for good reasons. Here's a glimpse of what you're getting yourself into. Open concept floor plans with versatile spaces like lofts, dens, and media rooms are just the beginning. Expect gourmet kitchens, quartz countertops, and elegant flooring as standard features. With dual access points to alleviate entrance congestion, this expansive 330 acres community is set to make a significant impact in the real estate scene. Picture this: 655 fresh modern homes ranging from 2,573 to 5,177 square feet. With 3 to 5 bedrooms and 3.5 to 7 bathrooms, there's something to suit every need. And the best part? Prices start at $1.4 million and go up to $3 million, offering luxury living at its finest. As a realtor working in South Florida, I've witnessed the remarkable success of GL Homes in our area. They've mastered the art of selecting prime land, primarily west of I-95 in Palm Beach County, and transforming it into luxurious, multi-million-dollar communities. Their recent projects, Lotus and Lotus Palm, have set the stage for this new venture, Lotus Edge, which I believe will be just as successful, if not more. This new project is positioned directly west of the sold-out Lotus Palm, where despite the community only being half-built, demand was so high that homes were purchased before the foundation was even laid. Given this high demand, GL Homes started pre-sales in early 2024. If you're considering investing in new construction, now's the time to start paying attention. What makes GL Homes' approach so effective is their strategy of rinse and repeat. They are using proven popular home designs from their previous projects, which not only maintains quality and buyer satisfaction, but also streamlines the construction process. If you're intrigued, you can get a sneak peek of the same models showcased at Lotus Palm in their showroom, conveniently located just across the street. And I'd be delighted to accompany you for a tour. This makes it incredibly convenient for you, potential buyer, to envision your future home and select your preferred lot as the development progresses. One of the key attractions of Lotus Edge is its location. From its proximity to Sugar Sand Park, perfect for families, to its easy access to popular beaches like Red Reef Park and South Beach Inlet, this community offers exceptional amenities and conveniences. For those with school-age children, Lotus Edge is near Olympic Heights High School, known for its outstanding academic performance. The area also boasts a variety of private school options, including Pine Crest and renowned universities like FAU and Lynn University. Additionally, for those who didn't know, Boca's private international airport nearby caters to executives and jet-setters alike. Boasting nearly 300 aircraft based and handling around 80,000 operations annually, including corporate travel, air charter, and recreational activities, it's a vital asset for residents of Lotus Edge. This airport ensures seamless travel, whether it's for business or pleasure, enhancing the convenience and appeal of living in this dynamic community. It's also just north of the West Boca Hospital, which adds a layer of convenience and appeal. As more high-income earners move into the area, we're expecting to see even more enhancements in local amenities and infrastructure. Food enthusiasts will appreciate being just a 15-minute drive from Town Center Mall, which hosts a range of restaurants. Moreover, Meisner Park is nearby, offering numerous cultural and festival events throughout the year. Now let's talk amenities. The centerpiece will be a jaw-dropping multi-million-dollar clubhouse where residents can bask in resort-style pools, take a dip in a refreshing cold plunge pool, enjoy top-notch dining at Bloom's Restaurant and Bar, unwind in the cozy Lotus Lounge, or let the kids loose in the splash park and indoor kids zone. Plus, there's a dedicated teen club room, event rooms for gatherings, a serene yoga lawn, and a fully equipped fitness center. Talk about living your best life. Lotus Edge goes beyond the clubhouse with exterior sports courts, lighted paddle courts, and indoor sports courts, ensuring there's never a dull moment. And because of that, along with the legacy this builder offers, I'm genuinely optimistic about the future of Lotus Edge and the broader West Boca real estate market. But before we wrap up, here are some key points to consider before making any decisions about buying at Lotus Edge. 1. Explore carefully. Take your time checking out the model homes. Ask about the base models too, so you know exactly what to expect. And when it comes to picking your lot, go for one with a lake view or a pool for that extra boost in value. Try to avoid spots near busy areas like the gate or main roads to keep things serene. 2. Home inspection. It might be tempting to skip this step, especially with a brand new build, but trust me, it's essential. Getting a thorough inspection before closing can catch any potential issues early on. That way, you can have the builder fix them up before they become big headaches down the road. 3. Financing considerations. When it comes to buying, you'll have the choice to pay in cash or finance your purchase. GL Homes usually has some pretty great financing options, including deals with no closing costs if you use their lender. Still, it's worth shopping around to see if you can snag even better terms elsewhere. Following these tips will help make sure everything goes smoothly and you end up with a home you love at Lotus Edge. And remember, if you have any questions or need assistance navigating the real estate landscape in Florida, I'm just a message away. Whether it's about Lotus Edge or any other luxury community, I'm here to provide guidance and support every step of the way. Let's work together to find the perfect home that truly reflects your lifestyle and preferences.
My name is Anka Maria, and I would love to be your realtor.